Okay, so hopefully the video is in the right orientation now. Continuing on from the last question where I left off in the last video, so we have a quarter of a cylinder, and the reason why we don't just take a quarter of this cylinder and that's it is because when we cut this cylinder into quarters, we've actually exposed the rectangular side. So there's a side here that's been exposed, and a side here that's also been exposed as well. So we have to take them into consideration. So we have to work out the area of those two rectangular sides and make sure we include it in the total surface area of this particular object. Now, as I said in the last video, the formula that you'll be using is going to be this exact same formula here, but we're going to divide it by 4 because we've only got a quarter of a full cylinder. Okay, so we've got a quarter of the round face and a quarter of the front and back, and also 2 extra exposed sides that we've worked out previously to be 24 centimeters squared. So now we're going to plug in what we know into this formula. The radius is 2 and the height of the object is 6. So let's just put it all in. 2 times pi times 2 squared plus 2 times pi times 2 times 6. So just putting the values for r and h in. Make sure we divide it by 4 at the end in order to get the surface area of the curved face and the 2 quarters of the circle of the cylinder. So let's put it in. 2 pi times 2 squared, which is 4, plus 2 pi times 2 times 6, divided by 4, and the surface area of the quarter cylinder is 25.13, and make sure we add the 2 together to find the total surface area of the object. So the total surface area of the entire object is going to be 25.13 plus the 2 exposed rectangle surfaces, which is 24, and that will give us 49.13 centimeters squared to 2 decimal places. Okay.